find or add your payment methods on your hotels Bankom app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account. We just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on payment methods. Then it's going to take you to next step here. So just switching to open with you here. So then here you will find your payment methods here, and can you add it? I have here problem. But if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your hotels Bankom app. So that's all you have to do to find this list. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.